Hello everyone. Vayakhel Moshe et kol adat bnei Israel. And Moshe gathered the entire assembly of bnei Israel. Rashi is asking, why does the Torah emphasize Moshe gathering the people? And he answers because this teaches us that Moshe gathered them on the day after Yom Kippur. After Hashem forgave them for the sin of the golden calf, Moshe brought them together, not just physically, but spiritually. This is the first step of true tshuva. Coming together, rebuilding after mistakes, and focusing on a higher purpose. Before speaking about the Mishkan, Moshe reminds them of Shabbat. The Or HaChaim explains, this showed that no matter how holy a project is, even the Mishkan, even the Holy Temple, Hashem's dwelling place, it cannot override Shabbat. This is how important Shabbat is. And the message that we get from this is that holiness is not just about building. It's about knowing when to stop, when to let go, and when to step back, when to take a step back. And Rashi adds that Moshe gathered the people with words, not by force, but by inspiring them. And we learn from this that true leadership comes not from commandments, but from bringing people together with vision and faith. And as the people bring their donation, a surprising thing happens. There is too much gold and too much money and everything. And the work was sufficient, it's written, and there was extra. So the Midrash Tanchuma points out something incredible. In Chet HaEgel, when Am Yisrael made the sin of the golden calf, they rushed to give gold for sin. Now they rush to give gold for holiness. This is how we correct. The same hands that sinned are now used to build holiness. The Ramban notes that the Torah repeats generosity multiple times, nediv lev, nedid ruach, to show that this was not just giving out of duty, but out of love. The Baal HaTurim knows the word Vayakhel appears only twice in the Torah. And in the story here, yes, in our Parashat, and in the story of Korach's rebellion. Now, why is that? One reason is for unity in holiness, and the other reason is for unity in destruction. The message is clear. Unity is powerful, but its direction matters. When used for holiness, it builds a Mishkan. When misused, it leads to destruction. Vayakhel reminds us true redemption comes when we gather for a higher purpose, to build, to elevate, and to come closer to Hashem. May we always choose to gather in holiness to build a world filled with light and unity. Shabbat Shalom.